In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an HTML email template to Brevo. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Brevo account and you are on the main dashboard. This process takes only a couple of minutes, but it helps to have your HTML template ready in a text file so you can copy and paste it cleanly. If your template uses images, it is also a good idea to confirm those image links are publicly accessible, since your email will need to load them for recipients. First, go to the left side menu and click Campaigns. From there, select Templates. This is where Brevo stores all the email templates you can reuse in future campaigns. Next, click the button labeled New Template. Brevo will prompt you to name your template. Enter a clear template name that you will recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple versions. A simple naming style like a campaign name plus a date can make it easier to stay organized. After you enter the name, click Next Step to continue. Now you will be on the template creation screen. Look toward the top right area and click the Import a Template tab. This switches you away from building in the drag-and-drop editor and into the import options. In the import choices, select Paste your code. This option is best when you already have a complete HTML email layout and you want Brevo to bring it in directly. You will now see an editor area. Paste your HTML code into the editor. When you paste, try to paste the full document exactly as provided, and avoid adding extra spaces or characters before or after the code. If you copied it from another tool, it can help to double-check that you included everything, especially the opening and closing tags and any inline styling that controls how the email looks. Once your code is in place, click Import. Brevo will process the HTML and load the template. Finally, click Save and Quit. This confirms the template is saved to your account and available under Templates for future use. That covers everything you need to know.